My name is James. I'm going to be showing you some of the butterflies of the Amazon rainforest here in Peru. And it's been an amazing 6 weeks working with butterflies at a Lepidoptera research station, and this is just one of many amazing encounters. This is a Adelpha, and it's just come to our fish bait. Now it's so engrossed in feeding, it's transferred to feeding from the sweat on my finger in the hot and humid Amazon rainforest. Remember to forward and like and subscribe, and there's lots of other videos you can see. I'm sure I'll link at the end videos of more Amazon butterflies and videos from elsewhere and some trapping and butterflies fluttering and coming to fish bait and all sorts of things. Have a closer look at this little guy. Adelpha is so beautiful.